Church Reformation was a religious, intellectual, cultural, and political upheaval in the 16th century that led to the emergence of Protestantism. This movement began in 1517 when Martin Luther nailed his 1905 thesis to the door of the Wittenberg Castle Church in Germany. The document contains 1905 ideas about Christianity that sparked public debate. Luther's texts were considered controversial by Western scholars as they opposed the teachings of the Roman Catholic Church, which had been the center of Christian politics and culture in Europe since the 5th century. Criticism against Luther arose because he challenged various church practices, particularly corruption, such as the selling of ecclesiastical possessions and the sale of indulgences, or payment for the forgiveness of sins. These practices were seen as evidence of systematic corruption that needed to be reported. The Reformation movement was spearheaded by Martin Luther and was later followed by other figures such as John Calvin, Henry VIII, and Ulrich Zwingli. Counter-Reformation or Catholic Reformation was the Catholic Church movement in response to the Protestant Reformation led by Martin Luther in the 16th century. Its primary goal was to renew and reform the internal structure of the Catholic Church while reaffirming doctrines questioned by Protestants. The important aspects include the Council of Trent 1545-1563, which redefined Catholic teaching and strengthened disciplines among the clergy, the formation of the Jesuit order, founded by Ignatius of Loyola, which played a role in education and missionary work to spread Catholic teaching, and the role of the Inquisition, which actively suppressed heresy and Protestant followers. Art and architecture. The emergence of Baroque art and architecture aimed at drawing people back to the Catholic faith. Spiritual renewal. The rise of science, a new religious movement that defined spirituality among Catholics. Impact of the Counter-Reformation was that it successfully slowed the spread of the Protestantism and brought positive changes to the Catholic Church. However, this movement also received criticism of acts of violence and intolerance toward Protestants. The Counter-Reformation became an important moment that shapes the identity of the Catholic Church and Protestantism, leaving a profound impact on the political, cultural, and societal aspects of Europe.
Martin Luther was a highly influential figure in the Protestant Reformation. He was born on November 10, 1483 in Eisleben, Germany, as a son of Hans Luther, a successful copper miner, and his mother Margaret. After enrolling at the University of Erfurt in 1501, Luther earned his master's degree in 1505. Although he initially planned to study law, he later decided to abandon his studies and joined the Augustine monastery in Erfurt the same year. In 1507, Luther was ordained as a priest, and a year later he began teaching theology at the University of Wittenberg. He obtained his doctorate in theology in 1512. At Wittenberg, Luther deeply studied the interpreted the scriptures, eventually concluding that salvation was not achieved through good deeds or church sacraments, but solely through faith in Jesus Christ. On October 31, 1517, Martin Luther nailed his 1905 thesis to the door of the Wittenberg Church. In this thesis, he criticized various practices of the Roman Catholic Church, particularly the sale of indulgences. This both act is considered an initial trigger of the Protestant Reformation. As one of the key figures in this movement, Luther played a crucial role in defining and spreading the ideas of Reformation. This reflected dissatisfaction with the prevailing practice of the Catholic Church at the time, especially regarding the sale of indulgences below the key points regarding Martin Luther's role in the Church Reformation. Of New Theology, Luther developed a theology that emphasized the salvation in obtained through faith alone, not through good deeds as such sermon. He also emphasized that the Bible is the only source of truth, not church tradition of the Pope's teaching. Bible translation. Luther translated the Bible from Latin into German, making it accessible to more people. This provides an opportunity for individuals to read and interpret the Bible independently, without relying on explanation from the church. Spread of ideas. With the help of printing technology, Luther's ideas quickly spread throughout Europe. Many people agreed with these criticisms of the church and gave their support to the Reformation movement he led. Support from Luther. Several in Germany provided support to Luther and protected him from the pressure of the Roman Catholic Church. These supports played an important role in helping the Reformation movement survive and develop. The Protestant Church. The Protestant Reformation movement triggered a division with Christianity. Luther and his followers established the Lutheran Church, which was the first Protestant church. Other Protestant movements such as Calvinism and Zwinglianism also emerged. Long-term impact. The Church Reformation changed the religious and the political landscape of Europe. This event led to religious wars, political change, and the birth of sovereign nationalities. In addition, the Reformation encouraged the development of democracy, education, and individual freedom. Julian was born on July 10, 1909, in Noyon, France, and shifts from studying law to theology after a spiritual experience in 1533. He published Institute of the Christian Religion in 1536, explaining observantly of God and predestination. Calvin became research leader in Geneva and established a theological school before passing away on May 27, 1564. Calvinism is rooted in Calvin's teaching as a response to the Catholic Church, emphasized the sovereignty of God and the doctrine of predestination. The five main points of the Calvinists: one aspect of salvation, and the relationship between humans and God. This doctrine influenced theology, culture, the politics, especially in the Netherlands, Scotland, and the United States. Negative influence of Calvinism during the Reformation. Positive. Encouraged a strong work ethic, education, contents for the poor, and religious freedom. Negative, the doctrine of predestination could create anxiety. Street push could lead to explosion. Difference in opinions often triggered conflicts. Conclusion. Calvinism had a profound impact on various aspects of society during the Reformation in the 16th century was a significant event that transformed the church and the Christian world. Its impact was extensive, including theological, organizational, and political things. This Reformation gave birth to the Protestant Church, separating from the Catholic Church and paving the way for various Christian denominations. Some key confirmations of the Reformation include the use of local language in worship, the elimination of traditions not based on the Bible, and the emphasis on theological education for lay people. Additionally, the Reformation threatened the authority of Scripture and the doctrine of salvation through faith alone. Overall, the Reformation not only changed doctrine, but also the structure and the dynamics of the Church. Reformation in the 16th century. In Europe brought significant political change, especially with the weakening of the power of the Roman Catholic Church, the emergence of Protestant movements, spearheaded by Martin Luther, encouraged local lords to challenge the authority of the Church and strengthen their opposition. This created a system of governance that was more independent from Church influence. Its long-term impact was evident in conflicts between Protestants and Catholics, such as the Thirty Years' War, which involved political and territorial interests. The Reformation not only changed the religion's landscape, but also shaped the political dynamics in Europe, which are still felt today.